Hi, this is Josh Ulloa, and for my mini presentation, I'm going to be going over a during reading strategy that I've been using with my students, which is basically just a strategy of marking the text while they read. So if you see behind me, we have an example of a reading we did on photosynthesis. And what we've been working on in class is I'll present something on the projector like this, and then go through paragraph by paragraph with the students, highlighting and underlining the things that they should be looking for on their own. So to start out with, I have them underline the main heading of the reading. So in this case, that's the bolded statement here stating photosynthetic organisms are producers. Okay, so we know we're going to learn something about photosynthetic organisms and how they're producers. The next step that I have them do is identify the topic sentence so that they know what the paragraph is going to be about. And they already know that typically the first sentence is going to be that topic sentence. So we do the main heading in one color or underline it, and then the topic sentence would be another color. So the topic sentence here is some organisms are called producers because they produce their own sources of chemical energy. Okay, so now that we've identified the main heading, we know what the topic of the paragraph is going to be. Now we want to start finding supporting statements for that topic sentence. And I point out to the students that they don't want to just highlight the entire paragraph because that's not going to be helpful for them. They need to go through and figure out which sentences or statements are supporting that main topic. So as they read, they're going to look for and identify supporting statements like plants are producers. So now we know some organisms are called producers, and it just told us that plants are those organisms. Okay, and then it goes on to say plants capture energy from sunlight and store it as chemical energy, and that form of chemical energy is sugars. Okay, so then the next sentence tells us that these sugars are made through photosynthesis, and photosynthesis is one of our key terms, and that's in this case already been highlighted. Okay, so sugars made through photosynthesis. And then also in this case, it's drawing or calling back students' knowledge of chloroplasts, which they know are organelles in plant cells, and this is telling them that photosynthesis occurs in those parts of the plant. So chloroplasts are organelles in plants where photosynthesis takes place. Okay, so we've been using this technique quite a bit. The students are kind of at the point now where they don't need me to go paragraph by paragraph with them. They know how to identify topic sentences, and they're learning, or they're getting used to on their own, going through and highlighting just the supporting statements for that topic sentence. So I think it's a good technique. A few of the other teachers here are using it with success, and it's a good active way to engage the students while they're reading, rather than just trying to tackle a large block of text without doing any sort of marking or thinking about what they're reading. So again, I think it's a good technique, and that's my demonstration. Thank you.